Smooth talk. Making offers with, would you like? Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another video in our Conversational English series. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, would you like, focusing specifically on how to use this phrase when asking about activities and events. So, let's get the conversation rolling. Would you like is a polite way to make offers or ask someone if they are interested in something. When asking about activities or events, we use this phrase to see if someone wants to participate or join. It's a friendly, considerate way to include others and make them feel welcome. Here are some examples. Would you like to come to the concert tonight? Would you like to join our book club? Would you like to participate in the charity run next week? When you're proposing an activity, whether it's a game, a social gathering, or a group project, using would you like softens the proposal and makes it sound more inviting. Let's look at some examples. Would you like to play chess with us this afternoon? Would you like to come to our barbecue party this weekend? Would you like to work on the science project with me? Remember, the activity or event you are offering should follow the would you like phrase. Asking about someone's interest in events is very similar. You're inviting someone to an event or asking if they would like to attend. Here are some examples. Would you like to attend the poetry reading tonight? Would you like to go to the food festival with me tomorrow? Would you like to watch the football match at my place? How do we respond to, would you like? If you're interested, you can say, yes, I'd love to, or, sure, that sounds great. If you're not, you can respond politely with, no, thank you, or, I appreciate the offer, but I can't. For example, would you like to join us for dinner? Sure, that sounds great. Would you like to play football with us this afternoon? No, thank you. I have plans already. And that's it. Now you know how to use would you like when making offers or asking about activities and events. Practice this phrase with your friends or in your daily conversations, and you'll find it becomes second nature. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, keep learning, and, as always, keep the conversation flowing.